Hey Wikipedians. A couple recorded their intimate moments, but unfortunately, someone uploaded it to social media. The victim tried to cover up the issue, claiming the video was AI generated. However, this only drew more attention from the media, further fueling the controversy. Now, social media is ablaze, with everyone eager to view the link. In the past, I used to believe that governments were corrupt while society remained virtuous. However, a friend of mine, a top IAS officer, once remarked, "It's society that is corrupt and the government merely reflects that." Whether intentional, unintentional, or a mistake, an unfortunate incident has occurred in this person's life. But the main problem in our current scenario is, number one, the media, which should assist in addressing such issues, bringing them to the nation's attention, has become completely biased, working for political and financial interest. For instance, in Andhra Pradesh, media coverage for the past year has focused solely on one party's bail issues or the other party's remand issues, sidelining all the important matters. Number two, social media, on other hand, is uncontrollable. People crave entertainment in any form, and we are all familiar with trolling, a term for body shaming, insulting, and destructive criticism that runs rampant. Neither the Prime Minister, the President, nor the entire Indian law or military has any control over it. To be frank, heavyweights like Rahul Gandhi have had their images completely tarnished by social media trolls who selectively choose slip-ups, out of context clips, and more. Recently, a Telugu hero was relentlessly trolled with a single phrase, "Herola unnavanna," giving him sleepless nights. Watch this video where a lawyer explains that sharing certain videos could lead to fines or imprisonment.
चाहता हूँ जितने भी लोग वो वीडियो शेयर कर रहे हैं, ये एक पनिशेबल ऑफेंस है, ये क्राइम है और इसके लिए आप 5 साल तक की सजा हो सकती है आपको। सेक्शन
However, can he really sue more than half of netizens under such law? Furthermore, does the Supreme Court have jurisdiction over platforms like Teradata, Telegram, and numerous other Web3 platforms that lack officers or representatives in India? Even if the Supreme Court could issue orders, it would be a daunting task for ordinary citizens to hire a Supreme Court lawyer, as it would cost them lakhs. Recently, during a conversation with a startup CEO in Bangalore, I was asked, "Swaroop, how often do you leave a positive comment or review when you like a service?" Probably never, right? But how often do you visit the review section when you are dissatisfied? Every time? This is where the problem arises. People tend to share negative experiences rather than positive ones. That's why online reputation management is crucial nowadays. To address this issue, we at Herody, with an army of 120,000 gig workers, aim to assist individuals, brands, companies, and celebrities in managing their online reputation. While artificial intelligence is advancing, remember, it's a human intelligence that truly operates with ethics. Thank you.